Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Chaseontwowheels here, and today we got a fun box, ladies and gents. You guys know we've unboxed many Ruroc boxes before. If you guys don't know, Ruroc, obviously the fastest growing motorcycle helmet company in existence, they sent out a fun new package. Now, they told me that they have a cool limited edition helmet that they're only releasing a certain amount of, and if there is any way to get motorcyclists interested in something, all you have to do is make sure that there are only a certain amount of them available. Works with motorcycles, it's probably going to work with helmets. So, today's video, we're unboxing a limited edition Ruroc helmet. Let's find out what's in the box. Pick that up later. All right. So I know it's an Atlas 2.0, which is Ruroc's typical Atlas helmet line. Oh, and they sent me more camera mounts. Thank God. So these things are available now. If you guys have been curious what the mounts the guys and I used on our Ruroc helmets, you guys know if you have a Ruroc, like getting things attached to it is a pain in the ass sometimes. These dudes just made their own mounts and they work phenomenally. So I have camera mounts and camera mounts and camera mounts. Okay, so we're good forever. Probably not. We go through a lot of these helmets. Oh my God. My boy Ben made sure that we had plenty. Okay, literally got 6 camera mounts. We use them a lot. All right, not important. This is what's important. We got the visor. We got a pin lock insert ready to go. We have, you know, the amount of these posters the guys and I have is ridiculous. Can you guys see it on that camera? Okay, we're just gonna put this here for safety. All right, here it is, boys and girls. One of 666. So clever. I love Ruroc for many reasons, but one of the reasons that I love that company is they are actually able to be playful with advertising. I don't know. This motorcycle market just gets kind of dreary sometimes. It's like, all right, we're going to put a new product out. Nobody gets excited about it. Ruroc's over here like, we're going to have a stock market crash. By the way, when you're watching this video, these are some of the times you're able to get an Atlas 2.0 for as cheap as possible. They're running like a stock market sale. So prices are literally going up and down, but they're going down as low as 70%. Make sure you're watching the website. I'll have a link in the description down below because you guys can get a helmet for like over $100 off. It's cheap as hell. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, the graphics. Oh my goodness. So I think this is called their FEAR helmet. Can you guys can see from the top down. Look at the freaking gold tooth. That is hilarious. There's only 666 of these in the Atlas and the Berserker line. There's only 666 available, so like getting one of these is actually legit. What color visor? Ah, the smoke. Okay, let's go ahead and change the smoke out. It's so cool to have limited edition stuff because it's one of those things like when it goes away, you're never going to be able to get any more of those. So it's such like an exclusive thing. I don't even know if you buy it to ride around in it. You buy it to like show it off, or to, to show off that you were able to grab one. And I'll have links for these in the description as long as they're available. So if you guys are watching this video and you click in a link and they don't have any more, I mean that's kind of what happens with stuff that only has a certain amount of quantities, right? So for any of you guys that want, we'll have links. If you get one of these FEARs, let me know. Try to get this. Boom, black visor as it always should be. That is how this helmet should look. Actually, you know what would be a really cool visor for this? I think they have a gold visor. That would look so cool. Something I wish they did. One of the critiques, because you guys know I'm a huge fan of Ruroc, but I'm also going to be honest with you guys. I wish they'd have had numbers on this. I'll have to I'll have to ask my guys at Ruroc if there's like some sort of number on this helmet, because I would like to know what number I had. Is this number 1? Is it number 572? What? I'll have to ask them, because maybe it is somewhere and I just don't know about it. But regardless, this is going to go on the limited edition versions of Ruroc that we have. Let me show you guys the other one we have. So this helmet's going to officially join the ranks of the Ruroc helmets that we have that we don't ride in. This is a custom Ruroc helmet that we had that matched our Wreck Bike Rebuild Season 4 Panigale, so the green and got the white lines in it. If you guys don't watch that show, you probably have no idea what we're talking about. We'll put a link down below. We basically build motorcycles and then give them away to the people that support the show, but this helmet matches that Season 4 bike perfectly. So I'm eventually going to have like a special edition Ruroc area in the garage space somewhere where it can be like, these are all special editions. There you go. 959 Panigale. Pretty cool stuff. I think we should cut to some cinematic footage and show the helmet off. And that's the only way I know how to end this video. So yeah, guys, that's the new FEAR 666 helmet. Let me know if you guys are going to grab one down in the comments down below. Just want to do a little quick unboxing video and check this thing out. The graphics on Ruroc helmets are so legit looking, and I don't think we translate them very well on video most of the time. So if you guys have friends that have Ruroc helmets, make sure to go check them out, because they have some of the best graphics I've ever seen on motorcycle helmets. And I've been doing this stuff for a while now. Alright guys, Chaseontwowheels out. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more motorcycle content. And we will see you guys on the next one. And guys, as always, if you made it to the end of the video, welcome to being in the outro crew. For one, let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite graphic that Ruroc has out currently? Just let us know down below, and in your comment, put OC. That stands for outro crew, so we know you guys made it to the end of the video, because we love you guys longer. We love you guys more and longer than the guys that just watched the rest of the video. Alright guys, we're out of here. I'm going to go install this pin lock visor, and I'm going to get one of those helmet circular things that Ruroc has. You guys seen these things? They have like helmet stands. I need like 15. Ruroc, can we just add that to the next shipment? I need like 15 helmet stands to hold all of them. Probably need more than that. Alright, gone. Bye. I know some of you guys are going to ask, yes, this is the new line of Ride Apparel. It's not out yet. We're going to do some huge social media push, and we're going to do a shirt and a hoodie like this. We're going to try to get them out by Christmas. So I think they're going to go live on Wednesday of next week. So I think this video is coming out on Thursday. So like 5 or 6 days from now, just go to Instagram, go to that Instagram. That's our Ride Apparel Instagram. We don't have much, and they're going to be going fast. We're only going to be able to sell them for like 5 days or something like that. So keep an eye out on Instagram. That's where we'll launch all this stuff. And good luck getting a hoodie or a helmet. Whatever the hell you buy. It's end of the year, man. We're all spending all the money we got. So enjoy it. I enjoy this. I love this hoodie. This is, look at that. Look at the gold, bro. Oh my God, the lighting. The lighting looks so good. Yay. I love making products I'm proud about. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Check out the hoodie on Instagram. Check out the helmet at Ruroc. And that's all the things I got to say. Bye. Love you long time.